N8N WhatsApp chatbot. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the N8N website. Once you're in, click Sign In at the top right. After logging in, click Create Workflow at the top right. Inside the workflow editor, click the plus icon in the center. Search and select WhatsApp. The WhatsApp trigger node appears. Under Credentials, click Create New Credential. Now open Meta Business Suite. Go to Settings and find your app. Click Open an App Dashboard. Go to the left menu. Click App Settings, then Basic. Copy the app ID and app secret. Paste them into N8N. Back in N8N, click the plus icon next to WhatsApp. Search for AI Agent. Below AI Agent, add chat model. Then search and select OpenAI. In the Credentials section, click Create New Credential. Search OpenAI on Google. Go to the official site, click Login, and go to API Platform. Click Create New Secret Key. Enter a name. Select your project. Choose permission. Then Create. Copy your secret key. Paste it in N8N. Then save. Now add memory and tool nodes. Then you can execute the workflow.